Hello and welcome to this new video on how to Airbnb your rental property. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the interface of Airbnb. So this is the interface that is opened when you have logged in and signed up successfully. And when you are inside this interface, you just have to look on the top right hand side. There will be switch to hosting button, so you just have to click on that, and when you have switched to hosting, you just have to look on the top navigation bar. There is listings on the middle, so just click on the listings. And when you are inside the listing process, you just have to look on the right hand side of the listing section. There will be a plus sign, just click on it. And when you are in the next page will appear, so you just have to scroll down a little bit until you are able to see create a new listing. Just click on create a new listing, and you just have to click on the get started button that is on the bottom right hand side. Just click on it. Now again you have to click on the next button, and when you have clicked on the next button, so now you just have to choose what type of rental property you want to Airbnb or list in the Airbnb. So there are multiple options, so you just need to choose and just select one and click on the next button. After that, you just have to choose whether you want to rent or Airbnb an entire place, a room or a shared room. So just click on the next button, and after that you just have to enter the address of that rental property and follow through the processes provided by Airbnb, and you will be able to successfully Airbnb your rental property. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.